Hey guys, so today I will be recording a revamp of my brother's overlays and stuff for his podcast. So he wants to start streaming on YouTube. So I will be remaking his overlay for when he interviews someone. I'm going to build a be right back screen, a starting screen, and an ending screen. I already have some stuff laid out, but I want to show you some of the process, and I might speed through some of the parts as well. So here I'm just going to start blank. I have some assets here though. So this is what he currently works with. So I'm going to go ahead and take off all of the stuff. I'm going to take off the logo for now. Take off the host box, and then take off the social media. This will leave just this main box. So I think I plan on making this smaller here, and I want it to be so we can have the exact same size as on this side, so we can have them talking to one another here. So this way, it kind of looks more clean, and it looks like it's a conversation. It's not like one's bigger or taking more space than the other. And I think it will help balance out what's going on in the podcast. So I want to throw this just behind everything. I think I might have to actually drag that under. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drag that under. So that's behind. And then I'm gonna have to redo the social media, but what's cool about this is not that. So if I double click on the square that is actually the smart layer, it comes up with an editable file. So this is called a PSB. Every change I make in here will go automatically into the file itself. So I don't know if I want these. I might need to make this larger. Make it 1500. Cancel. I want to make the canvas size larger, not the images. We want the width to be 18. So that we can we want to spread these out a little bit. We can save this, just Control S if you're on a PC, or Command S if you're on a Mac. I'm going to center this Twitter one here. What I can do is, you can see with the smart guides that they're equally apart. So I can hit save, and then it'll come up in here, and then I can just move it around however I want. I honestly might make this logo a bit bigger, just because it's going to be in the background. It's just a opacity, and I kind of want to use the arch as a connector, so it kind of connects the two, and I think that looks good for now. So what I want to do is throw on our backdrop. I made these the other day, but I think I'm gonna resize them. Alrighty, so now that we've finished the main screen, I'm gonna move on to just a simple starting screen here. I'm gonna turn these layers off here so we have a blank page to start with. I'm gonna turn the backsplash off for a second. So here is what I wanted to use, because I use something similar for my own. No, I want to click the whole thing. Tip: if you're looking to select everything inside a folder and you click on the folder, you hit Control or Command T, you can select everything. You don't have to worry about selecting everything else individually. So I think that that's good. Just kind of simple. You don't want anything too crazy. Move that down. And then I have this extra little spot so you can add the time of a countdown or something. I think that'll be perfect for him. And that's that. I probably will do some fine tuning to some of this. It was just a quick and dirty way of showing you guys some of the stuff I do to build a brand. But if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave comments. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video, and if you look forward to more, hit that subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to making more videos, and I hope you enjoy them in the future.